In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the paywall feature on Circle. So, this is a fantastic way to monetize your community content by charging for access, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. To begin, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find an option labeled Spaces. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the spaces you have created. Choose the specific space you'd like to place behind a paywall. This is where you'll start setting up the access controls. Next, head over to the Settings tab and then click on Access. This is where you control who gets to see what. Now you'll want to enable the Require Paid Plan or Paywall option. By toggling this on, you can select specific plans that members must purchase to gain access. This is a crucial step as it directly links your space to a revenue stream. After making these selections, don't forget to click Save Changes. This ensures that all the settings you've just configured are preserved. If you don't already have a paid plan set up, this is a good time to create one. You'll need to define attributes like the plan name, price, and access level. Make sure these details align with what you're offering your community, creating value that correlates with cost. Once you have your paid plan set up, the final step in this phase is to share the checkout link with your community members. This link is what they'll use to purchase the plan and gain access to your exclusive content. To do this, navigate to Payments, then Plans, and find the specific plan you want to share. Copy the link associated with it and then distribute it through your website, emails, or posts. Before you launch, it's a good idea to test the access yourself. Log out of your admin account and try to enter the paywalled space as a visitor would. This way you can ensure that the paywall is functioning correctly and prompting for payment as expected. If everything checks out, log back into your admin account and consider one more optional step: customizing your circle. So interface or setting up 2FA for enhanced security. Once secure, you might want to add more content by creating posts. Click Create Post, add a post title, and paste in the text or attach a PDF if you're dealing with contracts or specific documents. Adjust the access settings for these posts to members only, or tie them to a specific plan if needed, and remember to save your changes. Optionally, you can add topics or tags to make your